Rồi. Kiểu mới à? Kiểu mới à?
Then we have to fill that one full of blackberries. Then we'll take Grandma's special surprise berry recipe for us. Come on, Max. Good job, Max.
Good job, Kishan.
I wonder what Grandma's special surprise recipe is. Maybe she'll make us some very
Papa, see kitchen, mommy see kitchen,
Wow, Kishan. What is your name?
kitchen,
How old are you?
mommy kuya please.
Kimura. Kimura, peace.
This basket isn't
Kuya, peace.
picking berries.
Wait.
Coffee,
Are you
Kishan, peace.
coffee,
Kimura, peace.
putting them?
Kimaya na. Kimaya. Kimaya na. Kimaya.
mommy see kitchen,
Oh, is that Kishan?
kitchen,
How old are you?
sock,
Where's your sock?
sock,
Where's your sock?
sock.
Where's your shoe?
Can't wait to see what kind of yummy.
Be careful!
Maybe she'll make some blueberry.
Wait, Kimaya! Kimaya! Is that your shoe?
What do you think, Max?
Wow, nice! Whoa, nice shoe.
Hey, shoes,
Max,
shoes,
Shoe piece. Eh?
for Grandma's special
Shoe
surprise
piece.
kitchen piece,
Kishan piece.
I know. What if you play with
Peace.
one of your toys while I pick berries?
piece,
Does
shoes,
that sound like
piece.
fun?
Okay, Kimura piece.
Play with your rock.
Hey, Kimura funny.
Oh,